Imagine this. You're sitting on your couch, relaxing, and suddenly, your phone rings. But it's not your mobile phone. It's a home phone. A real old-school, landline home phone. And it's ringing for you. How does that feel? A bit nostalgic, right? Or maybe a little strange. Well, if you've recently purchased an Ooma home phone, you're probably wondering how to get it up and running. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Ooma is a popular choice for those looking for a reliable and affordable home phone system. It offers a variety of features, including voicemail, caller ID, and even the ability to make international calls. But before you can start enjoying all that Ooma has to offer, you need to set it up. Step-by-step guide. Unboxing and setup. Start by taking your Ooma out of the box. You should find a base station, an adapter, and a phone handset. Plug the adapter into a power outlet and connect the base station to it. Connect your phone handset to the base station. Installing the Ooma app. Download the Ooma app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Pairing your phone. In the Ooma app, go to the Settings menu and select Add Phone. Follow the instructions in the app to pair your phone with the base station. Configuring your number. Once your phone is paired, you'll need to configure your phone number. This can usually be done through the Ooma app. You may need to provide your existing phone number or purchase a new Ooma number. Testing your phone. To test your phone, try making a call to another number. You should also try receiving a call to see if it works. Additional tips. Voicemail setup. If you want to set up voicemail, you can usually do so through the Ooma app or by calling a specific number. Caller ID. Caller ID is typically enabled by default, but you can check the settings in the Ooma app to make sure it's working. International calling. Ooma offers international calling at competitive rates. You can find more information about international calling in the Ooma app or on the Ooma website. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble setting up your Ooma phone, check the Ooma app or website for troubleshooting tips. You may also want to contact Ooma customer support for assistance. Setting up your Ooma home phone is a relatively simple process, but it can be a bit overwhelming if you're not familiar with the technology. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should be able to get your Ooma phone up and running in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy calling.